Alright, go west, so. Turn. Turn. Take a good time. Take time, take time. Put it there. Take time, take time. Alright. Tap. Take time.
Right, no. Shadow a break, no? Shadow a break. Hey, tap. Bumbo blood clot.
Every time you come around, they get salty. Cause you got your back up, pretty mommy. Yeah. Waste my type, you don't need that. Independent girl, best believe that. And I am Shelby. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. That's too long for me. So cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great.
Feeling great? Nice.
Alright, we're done. Guys, my dad made breakfast. So let's start. This, I don't know what it's called, but we make this thing with potato and potato and sausage and bacon and onions and whatever, ketchup. And then over here we have red plantains. Wow, it's getting foggy. Hey. Then we have some ackee, and then we have some breadfruit, and then we have some saltfish fritters. She does not eat ackee.
She is named Alia. Beautiful and nice.
Yeah, everything but the ackee. Wow. Taste that.
What this?
Yes.
This one, this?
No, that.
This?
No, that.
This?
That.
This?
The newest thing.
This?
Yes.
And that point one first, my friend.
Yes. Oh, girl, you ate that. From the yum. Bon appetit.
What did you do over here? They can't want me. I can't want me for you.
Why I do this? Hey!
But you zoom in. Zoom!
Vlog. Let me tell you about me struggling right now, because let's just say the car that I'm driving right now is having some difficulties, right? Some mechanical difficulties. And it just lock off, right? And I'm supposed to go pick up one of my friends, but she live up on a hill. And it's because the car just lock off a while ago and start roll by itself. I don't want that to happen on the hill. I mean, I go up the hill and it lock off, and then we'll just start roll back down the hill. Because I don't think I'm going to chance that hill. I'm not going to chance that hill. But I have to take on half of it because my friend don't want to pass some certain man with it on the hill. So I don't try. Let's see how it goes. I look sweaty, I look disgusting. Are you okay over there? Are you stressed?
You can't.
Never mind.
You can't do it on the camera. It's all part.
Don't. I'm done.
You're done, sir. Should remember the rest now.
Next. Roll thunder.
Hoo-ha! Try member.
Speed up. Cause we are more, it's the way I'm talking.
Listen to the claims of the famous back. I'm rolling on the car. Listen to the script. Dog, we Bobby, now come on. Let me have some. Come on.
One thing so don't. Run, bridge and run. Hey, for go for them. Side thing I'm at the time. Come on, in it.
I'm a love, I'm a feel like it.
High five, and that's fine.
He latch. Dog. Yo,
Yo, mother.
My ear smells mud, dog. It smells terrible. I don't smell my ear for comfort.
No, I smell it, man. I smell it, man. That's why I'm telling you. You just need look at ear. It's not as bad as.
You smell from right there,
No, I was smelling it earlier, but I'm telling you, just need look at ear.
Right there, so.
Yeah, cause it up in your head.
Oh.
If man, that's my, yeah man, it never nice earlier man.
And I want something, I don't know, it smells sometime already. And then under certain circumstances.
Whoa! No free. So guys, I hope you're having a merry jolly Christmas. Wish you a happy new year and all them something there. When we reach home, we'll have a serious heart-to-heart conversation. But right now, we just try to enjoy the day. Cause rainfall last night, we did not freeze to death. And guess who decided so we still not lock off the fan? Don't know how it go. So we just decided that we're gonna go to Frenchman's Cove because she's never been to Frenchman's Cove. So I want to do that. And then my friend just come from foreign. I don't see her from high school actually. And yeah, we're all gonna go to the beach. Have a jolly good time, I hope. Yeah. But broke for the Christmas. But eat that. The season of giving and that's one not giving no money. Nothing. Just but I like that. I like it. I like it. Turn around the car. Show them my driving skills. That's a don't have. People don't should see me reverse. Come on, drive. You want that? Yeah. You sure? Alright, may I make a reverse?
Reverse before
no, you have to drive yourself and put your back into there, so. Daddy, if you're watching, I didn't do this. You watching the TV there? Barely.
So when you come here, so when me go show me?
Yeah, climb over, man. You can't eat it.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
My car is not eating. Alright. So, the
Peace!
Alright. Alright.
Where are we driving to now?
Go on.
Forget where the gas now, I go.
Yeah. Take a good time.
When you used to dodge patrol and them things.
Yeah.
Can I scream on a patrol?
Oh, go on. There you go. Oh, Jesus, watch the vehicle. Alright, go west, so. Turn. Take a good time. Take time, put the brakes. Okay? Go. Take time. Alright. Tap. Take time.
Right, no. Shadow break, no? Shadow break. Hey, tap. Bomba blood clot.
Take time. Put your foot on the brakes, my girl.
You didn't find the brake.
Take time. Alright. Go on. Stop. Alright. Wait. Alright. Go on. Stop. Take time. See? Alright. Take a good time.
Don't forget going into the mighty God.
There you go. Okay. Yeah. Woo! And I stop the car.
Need to take time with the brake.
As in, yeah, still press it still. There's no sudden press. Like I can press it, but not like no sudden.
I know how to drive, okay? I'm just not used to these roads. Hi, Shelby.
Hey, girl.
We don't catch a lock in a long time. I don't know what's wrong with you.
So today, I am here with my friends, and we're going to the beach. And I have my lovely cameraman behind the camera, Adrian. I'm hiding. And nobody wants to be seen. So you see, when nobody come message me and say why them not in my vlog, this is why. Because when I give them the opportunity, they don't want to take it. So I'm done. Done.
Tomorrow out on the riverside.
Tomorrow out on the eyelash on the riverside.
She's so flirtatious. Keep it feel to be. Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no rest. Feel like I need it. Rest. Feel it's the season I should let go. And that's the reason I'm about more. Feel it's the season I should fly. So low. I'm so sedated. And she's so persuasive. This isolation. So sweet you could taste it. 8 in the morning. Moonlight, y'all be yawning. It's 3 in the morning.
tell me why I came to the beach in a wig? And look at me now. Look at me now. You like another one? You like this one? Cute. Nice.
Catch you at no father dipper, man. Catch you at a lie.
It's a lie.
Boom. Clot.
Hey.
Shelby's camera. And she's not like focusing.
Where's the bitch?
I'm talking to the camera. It's Christmas. Oh my god.
Spent Christmas Day at the beach.
So after we done paint the house, it was not beach.
I think it's the bush that we're in.
What do you mean the bush that we're in?
Stuck in the flow. We're going to just pause, you guys. We'll be right back.
Merry Christmas Part 2.
Merry Christmas Part 0.
Are you sad that I'm leaving?
Yes, they are.
I'll be back.
I know. Okay.
Oh boy. I don't think it's around there. Probably too late or too early.
Maybe too late.
What's that right there?
Which?
But and they actually have a decent star. Oh.
Yo, so what are you doing now? What are you doing now? Yo, listen to brother man.
Jesus.
I'm in a taxi. I'm going to Kingston. Just put me in a taxi now.
And that will be, brother.
Never in my life have I ever been in it. I don't know. Brother, every time I take taxi from Ochi to Ochi, like anywhere in Ochi, like, bro, I've never taxi. Well, enjoy the ride. What you want? On the way to Kingston, and I wrote taxi. And this girl, she's charging us $1,000. What if you had 550 for a coaster from Port Antonio? We're in St. Mary. The client now.
So guys, this is the end of the video. But before that, I did say I was going to give Lee one of these for Christmas. So the scent that I picked out, I actually picked out two. One is called Gourmand Patchouli. I'll put it on the screen which one that is the dupe for. And this one is Fruity Oat Moss. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you watch my videos, you already know that that's here, cheap and clean. Yeah. I'll put it on the screen what this is the dupe for. But as the name suggests, it does have a really fruity smell, and I feel like I needed to put my girl on to dossier. You know what I'm saying? So if you also want one or a couple, make sure to use my code AndImShelby10 for 10% off your order. And get your friends and your family and your girlfriend and your boyfriend and anybody else some gifts for the new year, because Christmas done. Yeah, Nanan? Yeah. So with that being said, I don't think I'm gonna post any more videos for the rest of the year. This is the last one. I hope you all had a great year. My year was trash, but I made it to the end, and you know, we are gonna talk about that in the next video. But for now, you know, I just want to say thank you for sticking with me, rocking with me for 365 days. Big up Dossier every time for sending me the nice, cheap and clean fragrances, perfumes, you name it, I got it. You understand? So on that note, enjoy the holidays and I will see you next year. Bye.